them before they get stale. Okay. Yum, 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 yum.
Hey, can I have some?
No! Help! I have to go to the bathroom!
Up next.
a.m. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Brookhaven RP Police Department and Emergency Management Agency. A girl from the crystalline gamerz is attacking Brookhaven. Many 911 calls of her breaking into homes and schools. All Roblox ends in Brookhaven needs to seek shelter right now. Lock all doors and windows, seal all cracks and be quiet as possible. The girl's name is Cindy Candy Sparkle, a 12-year-old who is from the daycare series of the crystalline gamerz. Contio to provide local media outlets for updates on this problem.